Alia, about your association with Filmfare, please.
No, as Jitesh said, Filmfare is like family to me. I feel very close, and I've said this time and again in every cover shoot that we're in a long-term relationship. So I hope that continues, and I hope Filmfare always thinks I'm as amazing as he does. And yeah, I mean, it's almost like mandatory to do a Filmfare cover at least once a year. Whether my film is releasing or is not releasing, I have to do a cover for Filmfare, and it's always beautiful when the film is releasing because it's something to do with the film. And for the first time, I'm posing with Fawad on a cover. So that's also a first. So I like first because they're always very interesting and they're always very exciting. And this one is one of my favorite covers because we tried something different. We went to a completely weird, strange location just to get this Filmfare shoot, so I really hope it's worth it.
Alia, this is not your first time coming to Reliance Digital, and I'm sure your experience has always been great. So what do you think of the store?
This is the Juhu store I've come to. Last time we were at the other store. I like it because it's cool. You walk in and you see your trailer running on all the TVs. So अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि you see a lot of yourself. So it's a nice location to at least do something related to your films.
Alia, which is your favorite gadget?
My phone, hands down, phone.
I mean, Kapoor and Sons, great work and all of that. My question to you is, when they show it as a dysfunctional family and all of that. Do you see a lot of that in personal life, in the sense, have you seen families going through such situations like this? Is there something which has a resonance to real life when you act in a film like this?
Firstly, I won't use the word dysfunctional only because I don't want it to sound negative. Yes, there is I feel it is a modern day take on a family. Because we have an idea of a family कि family हमेशा हंस के खाना खाते हैं, हंस के बात करते हैं, हंस के everything. But that's not always the case. Especially not, at least in my family, तो everybody's screaming and talking, we're always fighting. But then we're also, giving each other a lot of love and affection. So it is today's family, in a way where you see a lot of love and laughter, but you also see a lot of conflict, which I think is the most important the most important relationships in your life are with your family. So how can you not have conflict?
Tell me one thing both of you could relate to in the film.
No, also one more thing I want to say, that this film is not a love triangle. I mean, there is interaction with both the boys, but they both are very gorgeous, and there is a girl, so there has to be some interaction. But apart from that, I don't think one can really say that the plot of the film is a love triangle. So that I want to just specify. Please, chap do, not a love triangle. What I could relate to, I think the normalness, Shakun, the way he writes, कि हम बैठ रहे, बात कर रहे, just like very normal conversation, not like scene starts like this and then ends like this and then ends like this. Like there is just a normal graph, and we're talking about very normal things. There's not like a motivation, some revelation has to happen in each scene. And the way it just played out, we're not constantly sitting, moving around, and just the way he shot, it's a very normal conversational kind of film.
आलिया, इधर रितेश ईटीवी से आपसे सवाल है कि अभी कुछ दिनों पहले एक मैगजीन पे आपके दोस्त सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा के साथ आप नजर आई थी, तो उस पे केआरके ने कुछ कमेंट्स किए थे, तो हम आपसे रिएक्शन जानना चाहेंगे, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
ये मेरा रिएक्शन है।
कुछ तो बोलिए।
मेरा चेहरा बहुत एक्सप्रेसिव है, मुझे बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आई नो हमारी फिल्म में गाना है बोलना, बट आई डोंट थिंक राइट नाउ आई वांट टू बोलना।
चलिए, अब एक त्यौहार भी आ रहा है, होली का, तो होली किस तरह मनाती हैं आलिया?
होली मुझे होली से थोड़ा सा डर लगता है। एज अ किड आई यूज्ड टू प्ले अ लॉट, बट कलर वलर आई फील कि वो स्किन पे एलर्जी होता है, तो आई डोंट सेलिब्रेट होली लाइक दैट. बट यूजली होली के दिन तो छुट्टियाँ होती थी, तो देन दैट यूज टू बी वन मोमेंट वे यू कैन डू नथिंग एंड जस्ट हैंग आउट विद योर फ्रेंड्स. तो वो आई थिंक आई चेरिश द मोस्ट. और ऑब्वियसली बहुत समोसे खाने का मन होता है, जलेबी खाने का मन होता है. सो दैट्स द डे ठंडाई एंड ऑल. But I don't play Holi, but I would want to say to everybody whoever's playing Holi, please be very safe. और दूसरों का ख्याल रखना. दूर से बलून फेंकोगे, कभी आँख में लग सकता है, कभी कहाँ लग सकता है. So please be careful.
Notice that he did not compliment me that way.
Fawad, you are lovely. Period.
No, no, but I think I took a lot of time. That was one of your complaints. अच्छा,
नहीं, he
okay.
took time. No, he didn't take
He
any
didn't take
time.
time at all.
बेचारा फरहाद, I was feeling very bad for him क्योंकि देख रहे हो फिल्म पे the cover he's wearing one heavy coat and all. Oh, it was so hot and Fawad was like just dying. I was feeling so bad for him. I was like, oh God. So in the name of fashion, we guys have to do a lot of things. I think you all should all clap for Fawad.
फवाद घर घर में अपने सीरियल्स की वजह से मशहूर हुए हैं भारत में।
आपकी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही सर।
आलिया, फवाद घर घर में मशहूर है अपने सीरियल्स की वजह से, शुरुआत में, बाद में फिल्मों में आए। आपने कभी कोई इनका सीरियल देखा है कभी? और फवाद, क्या आपने कौन सी फिल्में आलिया की देखी हैं जो आपको पसंद है?
मैंने I'm aware of his serial Zindagi Gulzare, but I've not managed to see it. But actually, काम करने से पहले only I had heard so much about his serial from my mother and her friends, because they're all obsessed with Fawad. कि वो इतना अच्छा लगता है, इतना अच्छा actor है, and I've never had requests from my mother's friends to like, oh, when are you shooting with Fawad? Okay, where can we follow him? Okay, can we have his number? तो वो वाला feeling होता है. So I already understood कि okay, he is very very popular. So which is why I was also very intrigued to work with him. कि देखो क्या है ये लोग सब इतना क्यों बात कर रहे हैं? And now I understand that he is a phenomenal actor, and I had probably the greatest time transporting myself in another world.
Thank you. Thank you.
हाय आलिया, हाउ आर यू? ओके, मुझे ये पूछना है कि बॉलीवुड के बहुत सारे बड़े दिग्गज रीजनल मूवीज़ में आ रहे हैं, जैसे कि अक्षय कुमार ने मूवी बनाई है मराठी, अजय देवगन है, संजय लीला भंसाली है, विद्या बालन डेब्यू करने जा रही है अभी नेक्स्ट मंथ मराठी में। कोई ऐसी रीजनल लैंग्वेज या रीजनल मूवीज़ में आप एक्ट करना चाहेंगी, या आपकी कोई रीजनल फेवरेट लैंग्वेज?
Just thinking, my dad keeps pushing me to watch regional films. उन्होंने कहा था कि मुझे बंगाली फिल्म ज़रूर करनी चाहिए. But I think I've always wanted to work with Mani Ratnam. So maybe I'll go down south and I'll do a south film and I'll work with Mani sir too.
या इन महाराष्ट्र कोई मराठी आप कुछ बोल सकते हैं?
मराठी, अरे मेरे को एक लाइन दो, मैं मराठी में बोलती हूँ. मला माहित नाही.
फवाद को बोल दीजिए.
मला मराठी माहित नाही.
फवाद को बोल दीजिए, तू खूप छान दिसतोस.
तू खूप छान दिसतो.
क्या है? मुझे
I know,
छान से
I
क्या
know,
करना
I
है?
know. हडू 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 means slow 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 ना. हाँ.
One
पता है
last
थोड़ा सा.
question.
Right.
आलिया, स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर के सीक्वल की भी बातें चल रही हैं, तो आप सीक्वल में काम करना चाहेंगी या इंटरेस्ट रखती हैं सीक्वल में काम करना?
हम कपूर एंड सन्स का सीक्वल भी बना सकते हैं, उसके बारे में ज्यादा बात करते हैं.
थैंक यू.
स्टूडेंट ईयर का बन रहा है सीक्वल?
हो सकता है, should be made a sequel.